So I'm guessing you have somewhat of an idea what this thing actually ends up doing. It's going to be a really quick overview of what you get with this thing, how you actually use it. I'm guessing you realize that you're going to need 2 NVMe's, one that's in your computer and then another that you plan on cloning to another drive. So this is a 1 terabyte version. This is what was in my computer. And then this right here is a 2 terabyte NVMe, which is now in my computer. So this right here is the unit. It has a fan that cools everything. This is the main unit where you put the NVMe's in. Then it also has a power to power everything, making sure that nothing like shuts down or anything. You're also going to get a couple of cables, which I think is very cool because you can actually plug this in. Like if you have another NVMe drive that you put in this, you can actually plug this into your computer and use it as an NVMe. And then this is another thing that I ended up getting, but we're going to make a separate video on this. This is basically an external NVMe, much quicker than this. This is definitely aimed more so at cloning the NVMe. Another thing that's pretty cool about this thing is that if you do end up using it as an external NVMe thing, or your old NVMe cooler on your motherboard, it like ends up like it peels off and it rips apart and stuff. It does come with 2 NVMe coolers, which is a nice little feature to have with this thing. And then the manual that it comes with is pretty self-explanatory. This is how everything works. If I was able to do this on my first try, you absolutely will be able to do this as well. So the only thing that I've seen people run into a problem with this is that on your it honestly didn't actually happen to me, so I don't have any way of like actually showing this to you. But when you have a 1 terabyte NVMe and you take this, you put it in here and clone it to a 2 terabyte NVMe, you will have 2 terabytes of storage on your computer, but it's going to say that you have 1 terabyte because you literally cloned a 1 terabyte NVMe to a 2 terabyte NVMe. So the website, you're gonna go to the website and it tells you how to fix that. But I didn't run into that problem, so I don't know why people are running into that problem, because I did not have that issue. But overall, this is a very cool little thing. I'm guessing that you can see how this would be so useful. But yeah, that is my review of this. I highly recommend this for those of you that are like building computers, or maybe like just, yeah, you guys understand what I'm saying.